I'm not feeling the fit of this on my head. It could be the way I have my hair underneath the cap, but I will not be repurchasing this wig in particular. I don't really care how cute the curls and stuff are. Literally, the bangs suck. Look at this. That is a whole track. It's bad enough I have to deal with that. But that track right there, that's just blatant and obvious. Out in the open, it's ridiculous. One of those you get what you pay for moments, because what the heck? I'll most likely be taking my pictures like this, cutting it off, or having a good old winter hat on with this, because it's not going out by itself looking like that. I can't do it. For a first impression, that's what I have to say, and I'm probably gonna try to do what I can with it in today's look, but we'll see. We'll see how it looks all together with a fit and stuff, but right out the packaging, I'm loving like how the curls look. I'm okay with the color. I wish it was black, but this is a really dark brown that I can work with. It's alright. It's alright. Alright, I will come back to y'all with an update